Hello guys, this is our second part of the graphical problem from structure of atom. In the first part uh, we have discussed few graphical problems from structure of atom. Uh, in this video we are going to learn such type of numericals more and more. Okay, let's start. Here is a question: which of the following graphs is incorrect? So it will be the answer D. Why? Because velocity v of an electron and if n is the principal quantum number by energy level, is the energy level and z is the atomic number, then from the relation velocity and energy level, we may write velocity inversely proportional 1 by n, is not it? So option D should be the correct one. Because actually option A, not B, option A should be the correct one, because V is inversely proportional 1 by n. No. It must be, the problem must be 1 by n, like this. So here option D. Sorry, this problem is option D. It will be option D. Okay, you understand? From this, due to this relation. In the next video, problem, here the problem is given as which of the following graphs correspond to one node. Then how can it be? It would be, look, in the graph A and D, there is no node, right? So A and D is the zero node. Okay, so answer A, and in A and in D there is no node or zero node. And in option B, one node here, right? One node. And in option C there is two node. Why? Here is another one node, here is the second node. So in option C, two nodes. Okay, here is very simple problem. Now this is our next problem. Radial probability distribution curve is shown for s orbital. So we have to tell the curve is for which orbital, 1s or 2s, 3s or 4s. How can you solve it? It is understand, because it is it must be for A 1s. Why? Because for s orbital it has no direction property, so it has no node. Okay, you understand? I hope that you understand. It is only for 1s. N minus L minus 1 number of nodes. So what will you get? N is 1, L is 0, 1. So you get 0 here. Acha. This is the problem. Yeah. Plots for 2s orbital is it would be x, y, z respectively. Which one? It should be option A. Why? Sir, why it is? Because y, option A, because y will be definitely capital R, because value of R cannot be negative, because probability never be negative. Sorry. Thus, x will be R square, right? X will be R square, and Z will be 4 pi R square, that is Z represents the radial probability function since its value will be 0 at the origin. Okay, at the origin. So here is the answer A, right? In the next problem, if this radial probability curve indicates 2s orbital, the distance between the peak point xy, then how can it be? Okay, I'm just trying to make another plot like here. It is given as like this. So here it is, if it is and here, therefore it must be A0 and it must be 5A0. So what will be the calculation? It is x, it is y. So the distance between peak point 5 minus 1, the distance between the peak points x and y is a0, that is 4a0, 4 into 0.53 Armstrong, that is 2.12 Armstrong. So our option is D. This is option D. Understand? It will be option D. This is next question. Here a plot of kinetic energy of ejected electrons as a function of the frequency of incident radiation for 4 alkali metals. Therefore, we have to choose from these 4 options A, B, C, D, which option would be correct for M1, M2, M3, M4 in the given graph. So the intercept on y-axis, on y-axis denotes nu 0, that is threshold frequency. Okay, now we know nu is equal to h nu 0 by h, where h nu 0 is the work function of the metal, right? Thus, greater the value of actually greater the value of nu 0, more will be the work. More will be the work function of the metal. Okay, so what will be the option? What should be the option of this graph? I am giving you the hints. The hints given now. You have to decide which one was the correct option. Okay, if you can perform this option, if you can choose the right option, please comment in the video, and if you have any problem, also comment in my video. Okay, today is Here I am making stop this video. In our next video I'll appear with more such type of numericals. Please share if you like this video, comment, and subscribe as much as more. If you want to like all of these videos from each chapter from 11 and 12, please share, subscribe, and like my videos. Okay guys, bye bye.